So Amazon is like, I don't care. Hello everyone. So I got my new mic as you can see, and it's from the brand Grenaro. मेरे दोस्त के पास भी सेम था. मैंने उससे एक दो दिन टेस्टिंग के लिए मांगा बट वो रोज भूल जा रहा था लाना, सो आई जस्ट टुक हिज एडवाइस एंड बॉट दिस न्यू माइक. एंड आई शेयर माई एक्सपीरियंस कि मेरा माइक के साथ इसका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रह रहा है. प्लस यू कैन ऑल्सो टेल मी इन कॉमेंट्स कि मेरी वॉइस की क्वालिटी अभी कैसी है. सो दिस इज़ द माइक आई गॉट. दिस इज़ द केस. इट्स सो सेक्सी, आई नो. ये ऐसे रहता है. इसका रिसीवर तो अभी मैंने फ़ोन में लगा रखा है. देन वी हैव टू माइक्स. एक माइक अभी मैंने लगा रखा है. सेकंड, कभी किसी से पॉडकास्ट वाली बातें बातें हुई देन वी कैन डू दैट. सो दैट्स देयर. तो ये तो हो गई मेरे नए माइक की बात. टुडे वी आर हियर again to open our parcels. We have so many parcels and थोड़ा बहुत मैंने, क्योंकि आप देख सकते हो मैंने कुछ मेकअप नहीं किया है, so we are gonna do some makeup also. Alright, so let's get started. And this is one of the products जिसके बारे I'm very keen to see कैसा है ये. So these are basically rollers which I ordered from Flipkart because मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा ही दिख रहा था. The rollers do a very good thing मेरे बालों को वॉल्यूम देने के लिए. So and उससे ज़्यादा I was kind of interested in these clips. Got this mirror from airport. I guess it was Nagpur ka airport. I bought this mirror and I never used it. So maybe today is the day that we are gonna use it. Or maybe not even today, I don't know. मेकअप का मैं सामान ही क्या लेकर आई हूँ. शिट, आई डू नॉट ब्रिंग एनीथिंग. So we'll just postpone it. I don't want to do any makeup. So I just want to see how these things work. Like, I don't know, like, are we like supposed to take our hair and just, from what I've seen, they do it like this, like this, like this, like this. And I think then they will just clutch it like this. Something like this only they'll do. Oh. Well, some need some time to listen to these and then they will open these rollers. खुल तो रहे हैं, एटलीस्ट अटक नहीं रहे हैं मेरे बाल में. So that's there. So we're gonna take these off also. I like my curtain bangs, you know. I don't like it when the front hair is way too big. मतलब ये curtain bangs में basically मुझे यहाँ तक काटने थे. I don't know how I cut it to here only, and now it's kind of a bit of an issue. Not big issue, but थोड़ा सा issue तो है. Let me pack this quickly so that we can move on to the new product. इससे पहले कि ये मैं इसे फोड़ दूँ, let's keep it here. Yep. आजकल I have this cute little interest in getting so many kurtis, and I got a red and a pink kurti. I usually don't prefer pink. It's not about the girly pink. It's just according to my warm tone. ज़्यादातर pink don't suit me. Okay, so it's that. But I still managed to find this pretty color which I thought will look good for me. You can see the tassels. Oh my god, I already love them. एक टूटा हुआ है, I can see, but it's all right. So this is the kurti. I will show you पहनने के बाद. Check out my Instagram. It's Swati_decoded. Alright. Yes, I changed my username, so just go and check it out. I love this kurti already. It's so pretty, especially this one. बस एक टूटा हुआ है, पता नहीं क्यों टूटा है. But I guess it will work. उतना पता नहीं चल रहा है. ज़्यादा ज़्यादा मैं एक और तोड़ दूंगी. Engineer mindset. So I'm already liking this kurti. Now we have a second kurti. अगर मेरा मन किया then I'll show you पहन कर भी at the end. Not really sure. I'm quite lazy. If you guys don't know it yet, please know it by now. I like talking to you guys. That's why I come back and back. Oh, I think मेरे English के words में थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ है, but it's alright. That's why I just come back to you guys. Oh, it's a simple kurti. It doesn't have any tassels or कुछ पीछे का बंद करने का. It's a simple kurti, but I like it. It's kind of warm. So if you can see, this is the kurti, and I like this one also. What can I say? I have become a kurti lover these days. I already have 3 kurtis which I bought recently. So I just can't help it. Last but not the least, these are our heels which I got after commenting for its link to another content creator. I really liked it. I was just about to look for a cutter. Oh, it's in purple color. Let me see. I know you guys also want to see. Let me show it to you now. Oh my god. I just got it under 1K. Can you believe it? I like it already. I mean, like, सुबह से मेरा दिन अच्छा नहीं जा रहा था. It's like I ordered this mic yesterday and it was told कि आज ये deliver हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So normally क्या होता है? It's from Amazon, so they will give it to my security and फिर मैं वहाँ से ले लेती हूँ. They don't usually come ऊपर या फिर जो भी है, मतलब they don't come to my flat. They'll just give it to the security and I'll get it from there. आज I saw it was marked delivered to resident and one of my flatmate was not here. The other she was sleeping ही. And normally अगर कोई पार्सल आता भी है तो they will leave it in the hall कि मुझे पता चल जाएगा ओ दिस पार्सल हैज़ कम. एंड आज मेरे बहुत सारे आने वाले थे. ये सारे पार्सल्स आज ही आने वाले थे. So I was kind of like, okay, I'll get it from the security. I went to security. I asked him, भैया कोई parcel है? He gave me this parcel. Myntra वाले ने भी आज नीचे ही दे दिया था. Or maybe he rang the bell. I did not open or something like that. But it was not there also. मतलब he literally searched each and every parcel. It was not there. I was panicking like anything. So I just I raised a complaint on Amazon and they just took automated complaints. They did not even bother calling me back to ask if I received the parcel or not. It was actually he gave it to another resident. Okay, so it's like you are supposed to inform me, right? और अगर मैंने complaint raise किया है, either reach out to me or do something, but they did not do anything. So that was kind of very shocking for me कि अगर किसी दिन I will really not receive my parcel. So Amazon is like, I don't care. I did not like this attitude that was there. Whatever, I got my parcel and that is what matters to me, Abhi. So these are the heels. You can see, right? They're really cool. Let me wear them. Do you like them? I do. Let me see मैं कितना comfortably walk कर सकती हूँ. So that we can do some walk together. Oh, these are not like any bulky heels, just keep them. I'm gonna share the link with you guys if you want them. Been a lot of days since I wore some heels, but I'm liking these heels. So I'll just say I am having a good experience abhi tak, and the work is still hectic. You know I'm a corporate girly, right? So it's still hectic over there, and I don't know अभी तक मेरे माइक ने कैसी आवाज़ें रिकॉर्ड की है. आई जस्ट होप कि इसने अच्छी आवाज़ें रिकॉर्ड की हों बिकॉज 2000 फूके हैं मैंने इस पे and as a small content creator, it literally means a lot to me. So, oh my god, I'm already loving these heels. I love it. I love all the purchases, Ajka. So that's there. So whatever. All right. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next vlog.